Now that I've talked about all the trending films and TV shows, I really wanted to share my thoughts on an underrated film streaming on Jio Hotstar. Kaushalji's vs. Kaushal, a family drama film set in the city of Kanauj, also known as the city of Ittar, revolves around the lives of Mr. and Mrs. Kaushal, played by Ashutosh Rana and Shiba Chadda. They have two kids, Yug, played by Pavel Gulati, and Reet, played by Diksha Joshi. And just like every other parent, their complaint is the same. तुम घर बहुत कम आते हो, because both of them work in the city. The film focuses on the constant bickering between the couple over the smallest of inconveniences. And when Yug visits them for Holi, he finds them constantly fighting and says in a typical Gen Z manner कि move on guys, तुम हर छोटी बात पे कैसे लड़ लेते हो? Just move on and become fast paced like Gen Z. Inspired by his talk, the couple decides to separate. Meanwhile, we are introduced to Kiara, played by Isha Talwar, Yug's love interest, and her only goal in life is to get married to a man who has a perfect family. Yug obviously being interested in her says कि चलो तुम्हें अपने माँ बाप से मिला देता हूँ, unknown to the fact that they have decided to separate. Now will the Kaushalji stick together pretending to be a big happy family, or will they let their son's heart break on both grounds? Now, first things first, Ashutosh Rana and Shiva Chadda have done a brilliant job in portraying an old grumpy couple. The minor inconvenience that irritated them, the constant bickering, and never letting any moment slide without passing on a sarcastic remark or taunting the other person is just portrayed very relatably. मतलब उनके झगड़े देख के आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये कोई फिक्शनल स्टोरी है, अरे ये तो सबके घर की कहानी है, ऐसी ही फीलिंग आएगी आपको. The constant void the couple feels as their kids are absent because of their unfulfilled dreams, and the constant longing to be loved, wanted, or just to be acknowledged of their sacrifices, and when these needs are unmet, feeling completely heartbroken is really tangible. Ashutosh Rana saying कि बेटा हमारे सर पे हाथ फिराने वाला कोई नहीं था. You really feel his pain and you can relate it to your own father as well. The dynamic of Pavel Gulati and Isha Talwar is focused more on opposites attract each other, where you see Yug being a loud, confident, and a modern man, constantly seeking his boss's approval, embarrassed at mentioning his native place, and dismissing his parents' advice as outdated कि हाँ ये तो तुम्हारे ज़माने में होता था. Whereas you see Kiara as this calm, collected, old school girl, not really rushing into things, and she wants to be a part of loving family because of her past. However, in some scenes, Powell becomes unnecessarily loud just for the sake of it, which feels out of place. There's also this lazy approach of town versus city life, where things in town are slow paced, but in city people are either working or partying. This is not 2015 anymore कि city में बस यही दो चीज़ें हो रही हैं. The supporting cast also is very underwhelming, delivering their lines by heart. मतलब बोले ही जा रहे हैं बिना रुके. उनको सुन के मुझे ऐसा लगा कि भाई रुक जा, थोड़ी सांस ले ले, पानी पी और हम फिर से शुरू करते हैं. वो नेचुरल कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक कि उनको डायरेक्टर ने बोला भाई फटाफट अपनी लाइन बोल के ख़त्म करो सो दैट वी कैन शिफ्ट द फोकस ऑन द मेन कैरेक्टर्स एंड योर जॉब इज डन. वैसा अप्रोच था. Grusha Kapoor as Sheila Auntie, a lawyer and a neighbor of Kaushal's, is the only one who makes the most of her screen time without going overboard or underwhelming, being funny and serious as needed. Overall, this film is a 3 out of 5, 1 star each for Ashutosh Rana, Shiba Chadda and the unique concept. If you are someone जो घर से दूर रहता है या आपको लगता है कि भाई हमारे घर पे तो सब खुशल मंगल है, definitely watch this film. It will hint at your parents' unfulfilled dreams in thousands of different ways. Have you guys already seen the film? What did you think of it? Do let me know in the comments below. I'll see you very soon with another video. Cheers.